Hello guys, glad to have you back for another market analysis video. Let's quickly recap what we have discussed on Friday and let's see how the market reacted to our analysis on Monday and today. If you go back to my Friday's video, I was speaking about there are plenty of unfinished business around Thursday's high and Thursday's pullback low at 24,640 levels, and price itself has stuck in between the Thursday's value area and range. So whenever you see a price acceptance inside some value area, it will likely cover the whole value area and all the unfinished business. So what happened on Monday itself is it started opening at Friday's close and it tried to clear the unfinished business at 24,635. And while it is coming down, what happened is the high itself has formed a strong mechanical reference and the prices started immediately going up to clear up the mechanical reference, which I have updated in the Telegram group. And I was also pointing out to try to trade towards 24,800 levels. So as the prices started going up, what happened here is the high itself has created another poor high and low itself is also a poor low. So these kind of markets are very tricky. Most often you will see a strong sideways market clearing all these references. So what happened today is that price itself has opened inside Monday's value area and the prices made a low around 24,680 levels, and then the prices started going upside. So what happened here, as the price is going up, it has created a strong price inefficiency at 24,680 levels, which we call it as a ledge. Whenever this kind of inefficiency gets created in a profile, they gets cleared out. And what happened, immediately prices started coming down and it tested the single print and the unfinished business at 24,640 levels, and it started going upside with a low at 24,595 levels. And for tomorrow, what you should be looking is there is a good possibility Nifty will go for clearing this 24,776 and it might even go for 24,850 and 24,900 is very much possible. But when it will happen, that will be the tricky question. Likely it will be tomorrow. Let's say if price closes on 30 minutes below today's low at 24,595 levels, then we might see 24,540 levels, and good amount of gaps were there in order flow charts 24,506 levels. So for further any kind of move, 24,930 to 940 levels remains the same as I shared it on Friday. So this is with Nifty, guys. Coming to Bank Nifty, what I was speaking on Friday's video is that Friday's low itself has good amount of unfinished business at 53,200 levels and also at 53,450 levels. There is no passive buying on the left side and clear this area, and if any sustaining above 54,000, there could be a up move towards 54,300, etc. So for further down move, you need to watch for 53,000 levels. And I was also mentioning on Friday's video that if at all there is going to be a gap down, there is look for opportunities towards 53,830 to 850 levels. The reason I was mentioning is, again, this is a strong ledge area. So at the same time, yesterday when the prices have opened and made a high, it created a strong mechanical reference at a high point. So because of that, the prices first cleared the no passive buying area at 53,450 levels and it started going upside, clears the ledge area or in a price inefficiency in the profile, prices again goes into the opposite direction. That's what happened here. So prices finally closed on Monday at 53,545 futures, but today if you look at what happened, prices opened inside the value area and made a low at 53,475 levels and it tried to go upside. But the problem here is when the prices is going up, it created a weak low area. Whenever you see these kind of weak lows, prices gets again revisited with a strong probability of over 90%. So because of that, what happened, prices immediately started coming down, clearing the weak low area, which is at first 30 minutes low in Bank Nifty futures. So once it got cleared, prices closed above the imbalance areas, indicating that there is a strong absorption at the lower levels and it started going up again. For tomorrow, what you should be watching in Bank Nifty futures is that if at all 53,400 stands, good possibility is that prices will go for 53,920 and 54,000 again is very much possible. Any clean close above 54,050 to 54,100 levels, it's going to be a further up move towards 54,300 levels to 400 levels. If at all it close below 53,900, then again you might see a sideway market towards 53,560 levels, and it might even come down to 53,440 levels. For any kind of further down move, you need to watch for 53,000 levels. So unless prices goes below and closes on 30 minutes to 1 hour, it's going to be a turnaround. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, just go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. This is with Bank Nifty. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.